Hey there folks, in today's video I just want to talk to you about the importance of having an OBD scanner if you're going to do anything with a vehicle. Even if you're not going to do anything with your vehicle, it's good to have one of these to inform yourself of what's going on with your vehicle. I've seen on a lot of online forums on Facebook where people are asking about their engine codes, so I felt the need to make this video to show why we need a diagnostic tool, because these are all the codes for this particular vehicle. This page, and if we keep on flipping, all of these are all the possible codes here. If we keep on going, as you can see, many pages of codes here and down to here. So that's quite a few codes, and even if you find what the actual code is, there might be a couple different things that are causing it. So there's endless possibilities for what the issues could be. So this is a very cheap, affordable tool. I'll put a link in the description for this particular model. And if you get yourself a Haynes manual for your vehicle, it makes things a lot easier. But if you don't want to get one, you can actually Google the codes and find out what the issue is. But this takes all the guesswork, or most of the guesswork, out of it, because without it, you're just going to be shooting in the dark to find out what the issue is. I'll also put a link in the description for the video where I showed how to use this if you've never used an OBD scanner. So that's all there is to it, folks. Just wanted to show you the importance of having one of these. These are the two best tools, in my opinion, for anyone doing their own work on their vehicle. So hopefully you found this interesting or helpful. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.